Hello YouTubers. So today I'm at a store called Lancaster Creative ReUse. These are all donations. Prices are excellent. And this is where I come to get my supplies sometimes because you can get little bits, big bits, as you see. But I wanted to share this with you. So like over here, these threads right here, these can be used for punch needle. It doesn't have to be floss. So that's DMC, that's $3. And you can see in my hand how big that ball is. And up here, there's more. Like this, I was gonna buy this, but it's so huge, like it would probably last me a lifetime. But it's $8 for that big thing there. So down here are some smaller ones. Like that purple one is $1.25. That's a really good deal. Like over here, all the beiges, 85 cents, $1.25. These are really good prices. So I'll show you what I did find. I laid it down and walked away, which I shouldn't have done. I'm gonna get this gray because it can like be used for sheep, but you can see it's kind of heathered, and it is $1.50. So pearl cotton, 50 cents. Look at all that. Tatting thread, that's a little bit thin for punch needle. That's really super thin, but you could double it. And then all of this embroidery floss. So those are 20 cents each. And down here, I've also used this kind of thing here for punch needle. Wicking yarn. So that is color-coded candlewick cotton. I'd have to look up the price because it's by color. And then over here, these bags, like $2. It has 15 skeins in it. So you can see that this is the place to come for the bargains. This is in Lancaster County, Pennsylvania. Let me see what's in here. Oh, there's more floss in there. I'm not sure what that is. A magnifier. So you can come here and root around, find stuff. All of this is lace and edging, trims. Sometimes I find things around here to little packets of things to edge the punch needle with. So down here, like that's all fleece, fleece, fleece. Look at all the buttons. So it's really just like everything you could imagine here. This is all fabric. Like 2 yards, $5. So the prices are really good. There's more fleece up here. There's some wall hanging things. All the bias tape, elastic, zippers, all kinds of stuff. So I need to keep rooting because I'm not done yet. Just wanted to show you some of this. And then over here is wool, $5 a pound. It's just in the bins, all here. Some of that is cut up clothing, and some is yardage. And then out here, so I find things like this chenille that works really good for edging punch needle. And that is $2.35. But look at all of this to pick from. All kinds of goodies. And up there, that's where I need to look. Those cones. That's what I came here for today. So I'm going to keep digging. I'm going to keep looking. This is called Lancaster Creative ReUse, and I'll leave a link down in the description below the video. Please like and subscribe if you want to see more. Talk to you later. Happy punching.